Take a look at this question. Okay, this is on our page 242 question 1. I think a lot of us are struggling a little bit with this one here. Okay, but this one is a little bit more tedious because of how many things you need to cut, but the logic is the same. Okay, where the curve and the line meets, you also cut and draw the line. Okay, so this one here, right, we have a curve as well as a straight line. All right, and then we know that the line actually, this line here, right, it actually cuts the curve at these 2 points. So this is my simultaneous, right? So I'm going to start with these things in green first, all right, because they want us to find the coordinates, correct? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to equate the curve and the line. So the curve is this one. Okay, this is my curve. And then I'm going to bring everything over, which is minus 8x. And then plus 7 equals to 0. Okay, I'm going to fast forward the process, okay? So the video not super long, so draggy. Okay, when I dot, right, I solve, right, I'll get x equals to 1, x equals to 7. So at least, right, I know that this one here is 1. Okay, and then C is this tiny part here, so small the diagram. This is 7, okay? Then you need coordinates, So you need coordinates, you need to sub back in. I sub into the equation of the line easier ho. Okay, I just skip step can. So your, wait 2 times 1 minus 7 is minus 5. Okay, this side is minus 5. This one is 7. So we have our coordinate. So you have to write out nicely, okay? This is A, 1 and minus 5. Then that one is what? C, right? C is 7 and 7. So I got these two answers ready. Then after that, right, what's the next one here? I need to find B, right? B is when the curve cuts the x-axis. So that means x squared minus 6x, I'm going to let y be 0 lor. So when I fast forward again, I'll get x equals to 0, x equals to 6. So this is the 0 and this is the 6 here lah. Alright, so we have b, which is 0, no, salah, wrong, 6 and 0. So this one here is 6. Okay, like that. Then after that, all done already, right? So these three all settled already. Okay, so now we have the area of the shaded region as typical lah, correct? So area of the shaded. So what's the technique for the area of the shaded? Whenever they meet, right? Okay, wait, this one must move a bit. Okay, whenever they meet, right? So they meet here, correct? So they meet here, I'm going to just draw the line like that. Okay, so at least I know this is 1 lah. Alright, this one here. Why sengit one ah? I cannot draw properly. Okay, so this is 1, right? Then the other part they meet is here. Okay, this part is where they meet. So this one here will be 7. Okay, so then after that from here, right? Okay, I'm going to see separately. So you must see a few things, lor. Like you see, I'm going to just split up everything nicely, okay? Because now very funny thing is, right? Okay, maybe this side is easier. We do this side first, okay? So we start with this side here. So this side here, what I can see, right, is that there is a triangle. Okay, this one is a triangle. All right, this one is my triangle. Then, oh, I don't have D. They want A, C, and D. Oh, I haven't found D. Oh, goodness me. Okay, wait, I need to find D. D is when the D is when the line meets the axis. So my x is actually 3.5. So my d is 3.5 and 0. Che, I thought they want me to find b. See lah, never focus. Okay, so anyway, like that. Okay, so I got d already, huh? Okay, so d is here, this one here. So this one is 3.5. Okay, I'm going to do the right side first. Okay, so when I do this part here, right, part 2. Okay, so this part here, I do the triangle first. Okay, so triangle easy because triangle is half times base times height. My C was this coordinate was 7, 7, right? So the y coordinate here is 7. Okay? So this one here will be 49 over 4. I just write as 12.25. Okay, 12.25 units squared. Then what happens here is that, right, you see, I only want this part here. Okay, I only want this orange, okay, this part here. So I need to find this one. Wait, I thinner a bit, not very hard to draw. So I need to find this one. Can you see this is area under the curve, right? Area under the curve, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate the curve from 7 to 6. The curve is x squared minus 6x. Okay, so I'm going to do this part here. So when I do this one here will be x cubed over 3 minus 6x squared over 2. So I fast forward, okay? So like that, 7 and 6. So what I will do is I will sub in separately. Oh, thunder. So this is 7, 7 power 3 over 3 minus 3 times 7 squared. Oh, why is it negative? So this is negative 98 over 3. Is area under graph, right? Just double check. Yeah, it's still under, right? Then I'll change the 7 to 6. Okay, change the 7 to 6. So it's minus negative 36. So it should give me minus negative 36. It's better be smaller than 12.25, yeah? Okay, so minus 98 over 3 minus 36. So this part here becomes 10 over 3. So now, right, what I'll do is let me just shade the pink color part here because this one is the shaded. This is the first shaded, right? So this pink color, how to find? This pink color will be 12.25 minus 10 over 3. Okay, 12.25 minus 10 over 3, which gives me 1 over 7 over 12. Okay, so I got the pink color part. Then now I come here. Okay, this one here, right, a bit tricky because you see, this one here, what color have I used? This one, okay? So this one here, right, is part of the curve. Can see or not? But this is area above the curve. Am I right? Okay, so area above the curve, I'm going to integrate as well. Integrate from what to what though? So I'm going to integrate from 1 to 0. Okay, integrate 1 to 0. Integrate the curve x squared minus 6x. But what's important about this one is it's a minus sign. Why do you put a minus sign? Because it's area above the graph. Can you see it? This is the curve, right? It's area above the curve. So then from here, we continue. Okay, but I'm going to use this one also lah. So no need waste time, correct? Make sure when you solve, eventually your area is not negative. Actually, very obvious one. You go negative, then you just go and double check, right? It's oh wait, it's above, then you will realize that you need a negative sign in front. So it's quite manageable one lah, okay? Times 1 square. So this is because there's a negative sign in front, right? So it becomes 8 over 3. And then when I start in 0, it's still 0, correct? Then now, right, this one, what color? Green, I don't want green lah. Purple haven't you? Purple. Okay, purple lah. Then this one is what? This one is just a triangle, correct or not? So half times base times height. So half, the base is 3.5 minus 1, so that is 2.5. Then the height is what was the coordinate for A here, Negative 5. So the height is 5. Okay, so half times 2.5 times 5, this is 25 over 4. So if I want this whole thing together, this thing together, right? Then I must add them together. I take 8 over 3, 8 over 3 plus 25 over 4. Then plus just now that one, right? The pink color one, which is the 107 over 12 one. So you plus them together. So plus 8 over 3 plus 107 over 12. So then eventually you will get 107, 107 over 6. So just leave it like that, can already. Can understand? Okay, so you see, you can only do triangle if the area is bounded by a straight line. But other than that, right, then you must always check, hey, is it area under the curve, area above the curve? Then you must be careful. Okay, so this one quite a good question. I believe the second part at least 6, 7 marks on just the area alone. Okay, so you imagine you add with the coordinates, easily 10 marks already.